Something unusual is happening inside Unitree's factory, and it feels like a preview of the next industrial revolution. Robots are not just walking around or performing test routines. They are helping manufacture other robots. At the center of this shift is the unifolm X, 1.0 embodied artificial intelligence model, a system designed to give machines a deeper understanding of the physical world they operate in. Unitree Robotics has been pushing the boundaries of embodied intelligence for years, but this deployment marks a major step forward. Instead of limiting artificial intelligence to simulations or research labs, the company has implemented its model directly inside its own production environment. That means real humanoid robots working on real assembly lines, interacting with tools, components, and structured workflows. This is not a concept video. It is an operational factory setting. The unifolm X 1.0 model enables robots to combine vision, language understanding, and physical action planning into one unified framework. In practical terms, the robot can observe parts on a workstation, understand task instructions, and execute precise movements. Whether it is handling components, performing repetitive assembly tasks, or assisting with logistics inside the factory, the system is designed to adapt to real-world variables instead of relying solely on rigid programming. Watching robots contribute to the creation of other robots raises an important question. Are we entering a self-reinforcing automation cycle? In Unitree's case, the answer seems to be yes, but in a controlled and scalable way. Human workers are still present, overseeing processes and refining workflows. The robots are tools, but increasingly intelligent ones. They reduce repetitive strain, increase consistency, and allow human teams to focus on engineering improvements and quality control. What makes this deployment significant is that it is happening in Unitree's own facility. The company is effectively using its embodied artificial intelligence platform to improve the production of its humanoid and quadruped robots. It is a real-world validation of the technology. Instead of promising future potential, Unitree is demonstrating practical use today. For viewers who follow robotics and artificial intelligence closely, this is a key moment. Embodied models like unifolm X 1.0 represent the shift from digital intelligence to physical intelligence. When robots begin contributing to their own manufacturing ecosystem, it signals that the technology is moving beyond demonstration and into scalable industry. If this trend continues, the factory of 2030 may look very different from what we know now, and Unitree appears determined to be one of the companies defining that future.